Hello everyone, welcome again to Edu Easy Go. So today the topic is all about the search engine optimization. So a type of search engine optimization which is on-page optimization. So as we all know, SEO is all about how you can rank your website on top of the search engine. So what are the factors which would really be helpful to get higher rankings over the search engines? So what factors would really like you need to implement so that you get faster results? So that is what actually we would be going through today's session. So anyways, I'll be giving you a small glimpse about what exactly is on-page optimization. So it is the practice of optimizing individual web pages in order to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic in search engines. So on-page refers to both the content and HTML source code of a page that can be optimized. So the thing I just want to highlight here is, see, if at all you work on this SEO, so automatically you get a good traffic. So if you're getting good traffic, this is what actually would help you to get more and more engagement with respect to generating leads and also the conversions. So SEO is the most important module and also which would really be very much helpful for you to get good results also and good customers. So let us just see how you really need to implement all these factors and how you can get best results over the SEO. So there are several factors which comes in the on-page SEO. It can be meta tags, which includes meta title and meta description, image alt attributes, XML sitemap, robots.txt, canonical issues, social media icons, Google Maps, and also like headers and content. So a small suggestion from my end. So try to always add 2 to 3% of keywords in the content of the website, which really would help you a lot to get better results. So what does this mean? I mean to say for example, like if you're working on a training website, so your keywords can be something like digital marketing training and many others. So try to add these keywords at least 2 to 3% in the website content. So this gives you a better results. So how to add it, like where exactly you can, I think nothing much to explain you all. So just go to the content. So if it is a WordPress site, I think you can just log into the WP admin and then just go out to say like individual pages and try to add. So if it is done under the coding, so you can still just go to the file manager, cPanel, then the file manager, and then just access individual pages and add the keywords there in the content, whatever you can see. So this is a suggestion what I can tell you, which would really help you a lot and lot to get better results over the search engine result page. So to just tell you what exactly is a search engine result page. So whenever we type anything in the Google search bar, so we may get a lot of results. So this is what actually is the search engine result page. So to just make sure like your website should be there on the search engine result page, you need to work on several factors. See, if at all your website is there since a long time and still you cannot see your website ranking for some keywords, that means like your website, there are chances your website can rank within a month of time. So for that you need to implement these factors, what actually we would be going through today's session. So apart from that, moving on to the factors today, the first thing what I have to tell is like the meta tags. So please try to add the keywords in the title as well as the description. So because like whenever Google just gets this search, like when customers are searching anything for in the search bar, so Google first thing it will search or look for is the keyword. So how much percentage of keywords is there in these set sites? So based on like how many backlinks it has, based on like how much friendly content it has, so how many people have visited, traffic, each and everything, so it will give you the ranking. So this factor is the most important factor. Try to add the keyword in the title and description. So very simple. I think if it is a WordPress site, you can just go with the plugins, just add SEO, all-in-one SEO or Yoast SEO plugins. So SEO plugins you have many there, so just install it, activate it, and then start just using it. So you can just give the SEO titles there. So apart from that, if it is a coding also, you can generate a meta tag generator. So take that coding and paste it in the header section. So it's quite simple. So but please just try to implement this, which would be the most important factor to get the better ranking over the search engine result page. So the next thing what I have is the header tags. Header tags is also a most important factor when it comes to the ranking. So try to add the keyword even in the header. So these are headers what actually customers would look for. So they may not read the complete content, but they would look the headers and all. So try to add the keywords in the headers. So not always repeating the keywords multiple times. So please don't do this. So this would also lead for keyword stuffing, which would be a black hat SEO technique. So don't do that. Try to use multiple keywords and try to always just use, like, don't use several times the same keyword. Try to just use, say for example, I say 2% of keywords. That means like in this 2%, some keywords can be repeated, which are main keywords, and some keywords you can use here and there. So that is how you will have to divide yourselves those keywords. And apart from this, we have image alt attributes, another most important factor of on page. So try to always add the alt tag. That means like you will have to add this alternate name, what we say, which is a keyword again for the images, so describing more the images. So it can be the keywords again here. So if you start doing this, also your website keeps ranking very higher, and also you can see those images being ranked in the Google image page also. So this would really help you again a lot to get good number of traffic, which in turn gives you a good leads and good conversions and so on. So apart from image optimization, so always try to have a mobile friendly URL, which is another most important thing. Please don't try to add any special characters or hyphens in the URL. So which you will have to implement. So I think whenever you have those URLs for the separate pages, try not add this particular hyphens or like adding this numbers or some dollars special characters, which doesn't even make sense. So try to give what exactly that page is all about, which would really help you a lot again. So other than that, I think I just want to tell you the website needs to be mobile friendly. So you all know that rather than people going through your website over their desktops, laptops, nowadays people prefer the sites over the mobile devices. So make it mobile friendly always. Try that. So make sure your website, whatever it is, like looking good, like say on the laptops or the desktops, the mobile view should be the same and look a little more better. So that is when actually the customers would really love to read your content. So whatever the contents you're adding it and the images, each and everything would really play a role. And always try to add a sign up form or something like a contact forms, so that would really help them to give their details and know more about the services and all. So today's session I would just like to end with these factors. There are several other factors, but these factors today whatever I have just told, so this would really help you a lot and lot to get rankers very, I mean, rank higher very fast. So the other factors would also really help you. So I would be just coming up with other factors as well soon. So apart from this, you also have off page SEO, which is another type of SEO. So please wait and just keep updated with these factors, implement this, and any clarifications needed, please do comment. Thank you.